This video is going to show you how to use the capture feature in Chat Editor to create instructional materials. For the example in this video, I'm going to create a morning routine. My best advice is to first find the very first word you want to use before you select capture. So I'm going to do first, next, and last as my 3 morning routine steps. So I need to go to describe and then the next page over to find first. And this is the first core word I'd like to use. So now that I've found it, I'm going to click the capture button. I like to drag this window up to the top so I can see all of my entire board. So right here, the capture selection box is checked, so any button that I click is going to be captured and copied up at the top window up here. So first is my first word. The next word I want to use is put. The next word I'd like to use is backpack, which is not on this screen. So I'm going to unselect the capture selections box. I'm going to go to groups. And backpack is actually under clothing on my board. Now I want to choose backpack, so I need to remember to select capture selections again. Now click backpack. The next word I want to use is in, which is not on this screen, and I know that it's on the home screen, so I'm going to touch the home button. Click capture selections again, in. The last word I want to use is cubby, which is not on this home screen, so I need to unselect capture selections. I'm going to go to groups, school, and on the next page I have cubbies. Click capture selections again and cubby. So this is the entire phrase I want to use for the first step for the morning routine. First, put backpack in cubby. I always put all of my materials into Word. I already have a blank document pulled up. So once you have your entire phrase, you're going to click copy to clipboard. It's going to clear from this screen, but it hasn't cleared it completely. It'll allow you to still paste it into whatever program you're using. So there it is. And I like to make mine all the same size. I'm going to just increase this to 2 and make it an even number. Okay, so that's the first step for my first step for the morning routine. Now I want to do next. So I'll show you just what will happen if I don't unselect this. So if I went to describe, see it selects that for me. So I'll go ahead and just navigate through. And next is actually not on here. So there's a way to search by the beginning letter. So I'm going to go to N for next, and there it is right here. So all I have to do is just hit the clear button, and it'll clear the entire thing. Like I said, it won't clear just one word. It'll clear everything that you have selected. So my next phrase is going to be next, go to bathroom. So I have next, go isn't on here, so unselect, home, select, go, to, and bathroom is not on here, so I'm going to go to groups, and I'm going to go to hygiene, and there's the picture of the toilet. That's my next step. Next, go to bathroom. Copy this up and paste it in. And like I said, I like to make mine all the same size, so I'm going to make that a 2. And the final step I'm going to do is last. I need to go to describe. I'll go ahead and select that. Last. Sit. And I'm going to do play. Copy. So there is an example of how to make a morning routine using the capture feature in Chat Editor. It takes some getting used to, just remembering to select and unselect the box, but other than that, it's pretty simple.